You Gucci? Welcome back, YouTubers. Day motherfucking, what day is it? Day 8 or something like that. Back to sanding. And as you see so far, I got my third layer of body filler. And the guys who I've been talking to before this, they weren't lying. This shit is a bitch. So guess what I have for you guys? I just bought this right now. Cut my time. 2 hours for sure. With some more sanding paper. Alright guys, so today Prime Tools is mouse sander and sandpaper. What should I say right now? Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this this lapse video I'm gonna do right now of me sanding this bitch down, and hopefully it comes out pretty good. And I'm gonna have to throw one more layer. I hope I just have to throw one more fucking layer of Bondo just to have it straight, and then I'm gonna hand that bitch down, you know, give it the hand. Alright guys, catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I got my trusty mouse sounder, 40 bucks, an Ace, and hopefully this thing cuts me the job. Let me get my mask. Mask ready. Always wear a mask because these motherfuckers. Alright. So I'm gonna sand it down with 60 grit. I tried 80, but it was just taking too long. My brother recommended me to do 60. Work faster. Let's do this shit. See, it actually did a pretty damn good job. It cut me some fucking time, but I can't get it in here. It's too big for this piece right here, so I'm gonna have to do it with my hand right here. But this should be cake right here, all this. Alright, here it is, guys. After about 2 hours of just sanding, getting every groove out, I'm finally seeing results here. It looks smoother. Looks smoother. Now I just gotta lay one more layer, and this should just lay out smoothly, and I should be finished. One more. Almost done. I'm almost done. This is the third layer on. I'm about to sand this shit down. Hopefully, I might just need one last layer of just a thin one just to make it perfectly smooth. I'm hoping so. Let's see what we got here. Here it is. I went through 4 layers. Finally got it done, sanded out how I wanted.
It's actually pretty smooth.
Now I gotta go with it with the lower grit and make it super smooth.
Seats.
But the shape that I want is there already, as you can see. Nice creases. All I gotta do is just sand in here, make it smoother, and up here in this corner. Same right here with this corner. Smooth it down, and that should be good. Hey guys, that was about it. And like I said before, if you like our content, please come back, subscribe, because you already know who your boy is. Minty SRT, crazy hair YouTube Mexican blogger. And we're gonna leave it off like that, but I got more videos coming for you, so stay tuned, and don't forget, hit the thumbs up.